Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. The first day, well last week I ordered my Tesla Model Y, and after doing so, did the app thing, whole app download and register and sign up, and first time ever ordering a car and buying a car through the app. Well, that was good. Did that, got everything done, got my delivery date, which was, I ordered the car on Monday, scheduled the test drive on Monday of last week. I scheduled it on Monday for Wednesday. I test drove the Model Y on Wednesday. I downloaded the app and everything, registered, everything else, and did a profile, and I ordered the car and I paid for the car through the app, and I picked it up on last Friday. Today, well, Friday, so that's 3 days ago. So today is my third day with the car. So this is my first Tesla, like I said. I never owned a Tesla before. This is all new to me. The charging stuff is all new to me, so I'm still trying to learn what the watt hours are and the consumption and all that. Guess good stuff. So far I've been having some good experience, and I love it. It's amazing. All right. I guess the technology in here is ridiculous, especially the full self-driving. Oh my God, unbelievable. Talking about like not being fatigued and driving long distance. Yeah. I do got the dual motor Model Y. Now, I did charge this up a couple of times on the superchargers. So, I mean, they're very expensive, but I've noticed after 12 p.m., 12 a.m., after midnight, they are low. So, which was good, because I have my guy coming in tomorrow on Tuesday. Today's Monday. Tuesday to come in and put the stuff in the garage. Okay, so far so good. Not complaining. Got a little bit of an issue that my rear view mirror is loose a little bit. So I don't know if that's normal. I don't know, so I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna call or try to stop by a service area, see if they say if it's normal. If it's not normal, I don't know, but I don't think it's normal. Anyway, the other thing is that I had an issue with the FSD. I guess the camera was getting fogged up, but I thought it was on the inside, but it was the outside. I guess it was dirty, which disabled the FSD, and I got locked out because I didn't pay attention, because everything on the screen is very tiny. Like, you need like a magnifying glass to look at like superchargers while you're driving. You know, like, what numbers they are. I don't know, but whatever. So we fixed that issue, and that's it. So far, so good. I'm going right now to go wash the car, and yeah, I can't complain. I mean, I'm happy with it. This is only the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday is only 3 days that I had the car. And that's it. I'm going to be posting more videos of road trips, driving around, supercharging, and I'll post it up on the YouTube channel. So right now I'm at 82% state of charge, which is good. I'm heading to go get this car cleaned, and stopping by the shop to see if I get the windows tinted. I'm going to tint out the car, and I got some accessories that are coming in already. So, and I'll show you that process of what I got, what I ordered. That's it. So, let's go get this car washed, stop at the shop and get tints on the car, and go from there. Alright, I'm here at the car wash, so I'm going to be doing it all myself. So I guess you got to go here and go to car wash mode. Enter car wash mode. Close it. Oh, wow. Alright, keeps below, speed below 10 miles, charge port door locked, walk away locked door. Okay. I don't know what that means, but anyway, there it is, I guess. Exit car wash mode, screen clean mode, full mirrors. Alright, never mind. Alright, I'll figure it out. right, the car is clean. She's nice and clean. I did the outside, washed her and everything and dried her up. I did it at the spot. The inside didn't need any vacuuming because it's only 3 days old. So, and now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna wax her up, and I just went to go get a quote on the 2 windows to get tinted and PPF'd. So that's what we're gonna get a quote on that later. I already got the quote for the 2 windows, but I'm getting a quote on the PPF because I am gonna wrap this with a PPF. That's it. Now we're heading back to the house. Finish waxing her up, just keep it clean, and there might be a road trip this Wednesday, so it'll be my first road trip, so it'll be good. All right, guys, so today was a good day. Washed the car, cleaned the inside, everything was done. It was good. So the state of I drove the car mostly all day in town around, so I only used like 10%, which is great. So that's good. So far, so good. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you're new, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.